Welcome to Antenna Engineering Training, Theory, Analysis and Design, powered by TONEX.com. Antenna Training course by TONEX covers all aspects of engineering, theory, analysis and design, covers all the necessary topics related to antenna theory and antenna array theory. Learn about a wide variety of antenna concepts and propagation topics. Antenna Training course is both a theory course and a hands-on course where all the attendees will make their own antennas. TONEX will provide all the material and equipments for testing. Attendees will learn about the basic RF and antenna theory, propagation, antenna design, technical considerations, antenna types and RF safety fundamentals. Audience. Course designed for engineers, scientists, managers, technicians, operators. Price, $2,999. Course number, 5024. Length, 3 days. College credits, 3. Continuing education credits, 17 PDH. Learning objectives. Understand the basics theory behind antennas and antenna theory. Discuss the mathematical and physical background that is needed to understand electromagnetic radiation and antennas. Describe antenna radiation and antenna parameters. Master basic definitions of antenna including radiation, gain, bandwidth, directivity, efficiency, effective area, pattern, impedance, antenna noise temperature, and polarization of antennas for wireless communications. Understand the operation of a wide range of antenna types. Carry out planning, calculation and design of a wide range of antenna types. Select antenna types for specific applications and systems. Learn to measure antenna performance on a variety of antenna measurement facility types. Explore new antenna concepts such as smart antenna, phased array, MIMO and MU-MIMO. Course content. Fundamentals of antennas. Why do antennas radiate? Types of antennas. Physics of different antenna types. Fundamental parameters of antennas. Linear wire antennas. Building loop antennas. Building arrays antennas. Introduction to smart antenna. Learn the theory and practice of antenna engineering including the basic operation of antenna, antenna types, applications, and physical properties from basic to state-of-the-art. Antenna training topics also include radomes, materials, modeling and simulation, and measurement techniques are discussed. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course. Audience, objectives, outlines, pricing. Visit our website www.tonex.com.